Have you ever found yourself facing obstacles that felt insurmountable? Today, we're diving into how you can orchestrate your strongest comeback in just 6 months, harnessing a phenomenon known as the winner's effect. This concept is all about the psychological momentum you gain after achieving success, which boosts your confidence and increases your chances of winning again. Setbacks are an inevitable part of life, whether in your personal life, career, or even in your health and wellness goals. Challenges arise that can throw us off course. Recognizing that setbacks are not permanent failures, but rather opportunities for growth and learning is crucial. The first step in turning around a difficult situation is to understand the nature of your setbacks. Are they due to external factors, or are they self-imposed? External factors include changes in the job market, economic downturns, or unexpected health issues. On the other hand, self-imposed setbacks might be the result of procrastination, lack of preparation, or fear of failure. Acknowledging these factors is key, not to place blame, but to understand the landscape of your challenges. This insight provides a clear starting point for making informed decisions on how to move forward. Remember, the goal isn't just to return to where you were before the setback, but to catapult yourself even further, turning adversity into advantage. Once you have a clear understanding of the setbacks, the next crucial step is resetting your mindset. The mindset with which you approach a comeback can make all the difference. A resilient mindset turns barriers into stepping stones towards success. How do you cultivate this resilient mindset? Start by affirming your capabilities daily. Remind yourself of your strengths and past accomplishments. This helps in building a foundation of self-belief, which is vital when the road ahead seems daunting. Visualization is another powerful tool. Spend time each day visualizing yourself achieving your goals. Picture yourself overcoming obstacles, and imagine the satisfaction and joy of reaching your objectives. This practice not only enhances your motivation, but also prepares your subconscious to tackle the challenges that lie ahead. Cultivating a winner's mindset also involves learning from every experience. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, focus on the lessons learned from each situation. This shift in perspective changes setbacks into setups for future successes, aligning perfectly with the winner's effect, where each success builds confidence for the next challenge. Transitioning from a resilient mindset, the next step towards making a strong comeback is goal setting. Setting clear, achievable goals is like plotting a course on a map that leads to your desired destination. The key here is to use SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to frame your goals. Begin by defining what success looks like for you in specific terms. For instance, rather than saying you want to improve your career, set a goal to acquire 2 new professional certifications in your field within 6 months. This goal is not only specific, but also measurable and time-bound. Next, ensure that your goals are achievable. Setting overly ambitious goals that are out of reach can lead to frustration and decrease your motivation. It's essential to assess your current resources and limitations realistically. If your goal is to run a marathon, and you haven't been running regularly, setting an intermediate goal of running a shorter race in 3 months might be more attainable. Relevance is also crucial. Choose goals that are meaningful to you and aligned with your larger life values and objectives. This alignment ensures that the energy you invest brings you not only closer to your comeback, but also to the broader vision you have for your life. By setting time-bound goals, you create a sense of urgency that can spur you to action. Deadlines can be incredibly motivating, making it more likely that you'll stay on track and push through obstacles. With your SMART goal set, the next step is developing a robust action plan. This plan serves as your roadmap, detailing the specific steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Think of it as breaking down your journey into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Start by listing the key actions necessary to achieve each goal. If your goal is to gain professional certifications, your action list might include researching certification courses, enrolling in the course, scheduling study times, and arranging for exam dates. Once you have your list, prioritize these actions based on their importance and deadlines. This helps in managing your time effectively and ensures that critical tasks are completed first. Use tools like calendars or digital planners to keep track of your progress and upcoming deadlines. It's also vital to review and adjust your action plan regularly. Every week, take some time to evaluate what you've accomplished and what's ahead. This check-in allows you to stay flexible, adapting your plan as needed based on your progress and any new challenges or opportunities that come your way. By meticulously planning each step and actively managing your progress, you empower yourself to move steadily toward your goals, even when setbacks occur. This methodical approach not only keeps you organized, but also builds momentum as each completed task brings you closer to your ultimate comeback. While you begin to check off items on your action plan, it's crucial to recognize the importance of momentum. Building momentum can be seen as a catalyst in your journey, where each small win contributes to greater overall success. Think of momentum as rolling a snowball down a hill. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and moving faster with each turn. To effectively build momentum, start by celebrating each small victory. This might be as simple as acknowledging when you complete a task or reach a milestone. Each acknowledgement acts as a reinforcement, increasing your motivation and commitment to your goals. For example, passing a preliminary exam for your certification can be a significant boost. Take a moment to appreciate the work you put into achieving that success, and let it fuel your drive for the next steps. It's also helpful to maintain a visual representation of your progress. This could be a progress bar in your planner or a chart on your wall. Seeing the physical representation of your progress keeps you motivated and focused on the upward trend of your efforts. Additionally, these visual cues serve as constant reminders of what you've accomplished and what lies ahead. Building momentum also involves maintaining a steady pace. While bursts of intense effort can be beneficial, consistent, steady progress often yields the best long-term results. Avoid burnout by pacing yourself, making sure that each day you are moving forward, even if it's just a small step. In the face of challenges, having effective coping mechanisms is essential. The path to your comeback will not always be smooth. There will be days filled with setbacks and frustrations. Preparing yourself to handle these moments without losing your momentum is key to maintaining your course. One powerful technique is to establish a routine that includes time for relaxation and reflection. This might involve daily meditation, journaling, or simply a walk in nature. These activities allow you to clear your mind, reduce stress, and maintain your mental and emotional health, providing a solid foundation for resilience. Develop a problem-solving mindset. When faced with an obstacle, instead of getting overwhelmed, break the problem down into smaller, manageable parts. Tackle each part one at a time. This approach not only makes the problem seem less daunting, but also facilitates a clearer path to a solution. Another valuable coping mechanism is to cultivate a support network. Having people you can reach out to for advice, encouragement, or even just to share your frustrations can be incredibly reassuring. This network can include friends, family, mentors, or peers who are also on their own paths to personal and professional growth. Knowing you are not alone in your journey can provide tremendous emotional support. By integrating these coping mechanisms into your daily life, you ensure that you're not only prepared to face challenges, but also equipped to overcome them and continue on your path to a strong comeback. As you implement your action plans and navigate through both victories and challenges, an essential element to incorporate is a robust support system. Support can transform your journey, providing not only encouragement, but also practical advice and different perspectives that can enhance your strategies. Begin by identifying who in your network can serve as a pillar of support. This could be a mentor who has expertise in your field, friends who inspire positivity, or family members who offer emotional backing. Actively engage with these individuals, sharing your goals, progress, and struggles. Regular communication keeps your support network informed and ready to assist when needed. Fostering new professional relationships can also open doors to resources and knowledge that might be otherwise unavailable. Consider joining industry groups, online forums, or local clubs where you can meet others with similar aspirations or who have succeeded in making their own comebacks. Learning from their experiences and insights can provide a significant boost to your own journey. The support you seek should not only offer encouragement during setbacks, but also celebrate your successes with you. This balanced approach helps maintain your morale and motivation throughout the rigorous process of achieving your goals. Maintaining motivation over a 6-month period can be challenging, especially when progress seems slow or obstacles appear daunting. To keep your spirits high and your efforts focused, it's crucial to implement strategies that sustain motivation. First, regularly remind yourself of the reasons behind your goals. Revisiting your core motivations can reignite your passion and commitment, especially during tough times. Whether it's aspiring for a promotion, improving health, or achieving personal growth, reconnecting with your why provides the fuel to keep pushing forward. Second, keep a tangible record of your progress. This could be a journal, a digital document, or a series of video logs where you document milestones and reflect on your journey. Over time, reviewing this record not only shows how far you've come, but also highlights the resilience and capabilities you've developed along the way. Incorporating variety into your efforts can also help maintain your motivation. If your actions toward reaching a goal become monotonous, try to mix things up. If you're training for a marathon and find your usual route boring, change your running path. Or if you're studying for an exam, switch between different subjects or types of study material to keep your mind engaged. Setting mini goals or checkpoints can provide short-term targets to aim for, which offers regular doses of satisfaction upon achieving them. These smaller successes build up, contributing significantly to the momentum discussed earlier and keeping the larger, long-term objectives in perspective. While you work towards your comeback, consistently measuring your progress is pivotal. This step ensures that you remain on track and can make informed decisions about any necessary adjustments to your strategies. Effective progress measurement acts as a compass, guiding you through the ups and downs of your journey. Start by establishing clear benchmarks based on your goals. These benchmarks should be directly tied to the measurable aspects of your SMART goals. For example, if your goal is to improve your professional skills, benchmarks might include completing specific training modules or achieving certain scores on practice tests. Use tools and methods that allow you to see your progress visually. Charts, graphs, and progress bars can be powerful visual aids that help you quickly assess where you are in relation to your goals. Digital tools and apps designed for tracking progress can also provide regular updates and reminders, keeping you accountable and motivated. Regular review sessions are crucial. Set aside time weekly or monthly to review your benchmarks and overall progress. During these sessions, ask yourself critical questions. Are you closer to your goals than you were last month? What has been working well, and what hasn't? This reflection not only helps you stay on track, but also promotes a mindset of continuous improvement. The final piece of your comeback plan involves a thoughtful assessment of all that you've achieved and adapting your approach as needed. This phase is about flexibility and learning to pivot when certain strategies don't produce the expected results. Assess each area of your plan objectively, If certain actions haven't moved you closer to your goal, it might be time to revise your tactics. Don't view this as a setback, but rather as an intelligent response to feedback. For instance, if networking to find a new job isn't working, you might switch to a more direct approach, like reaching out to hiring managers or recruiters directly. Adaptation also means staying informed about new opportunities or changes in your field that could impact your goals. Keeping abreast of industry trends, new tools, and emerging best practices can provide you with a competitive edge and fresh ideas for achieving your objectives. Encourage yourself to be open to change. Sometimes the most effective strategy involves stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new methods that you hadn't considered before. Adaptability is not just about making changes, it's about evolving with your circumstances in a way that aligns with your ultimate objectives. As we wrap up our journey on making your strongest comeback in 6 months, remember that every step you take is building towards greater success. The principles we've explored, setting clear goals, crafting actionable plans, celebrating small wins, and adapting to challenges, are more than just strategies. They are part of a mindset that champions resilience and growth. We hope this video has inspired you to start your comeback with confidence and determination. Remember, the path to success is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. If this video has provided you with valuable insights, please consider liking and sharing it so others can benefit as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more content designed to help you achieve your best self. Your support motivates us to continue creating helpful and inspiring content. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success. May your comeback be strong, swift, and sustained.